One of the biggest challenges we face as a business is fulfilling the demand for employees.
Where is my next generation of workers going to come from?
The Council of Industry is very involved in nurturing talents in the area and building a workforce that is both skilled and excited about manufacturing.
What we've discovered is we need to be in the forefront of the educational system.
And so the council is ready and willing to work with the public sector to help create those next generation jobs here in New York State.
The council has been working with local community colleges to develop certificate training programs.
And they put forward a number of training systems and curriculum that have been fine-tuned to what manufacturers need.
Some bigger companies don't feel there's a reason to be part of the Council of Industry.
But the investments the council are making in the future workforce help everyone.
Because if we don't have the people that we need with the high skill level that are going to be potential leaders, then we're not going to be able to stay here and we're not going to be able to exist.